thing that is constant is change. Who would have thought we will have online classes? The way we conduct our classes have changed. The way we do the assessments have changed. The way we conduct our PTM has changed. So let's move with the flow and change the way we conduct our spell bee unlike every year. So I welcome each one of you to Class 3 Virtual Spell Bee 2020. Before we begin with the quiz, let me introduce you the team that will be assisting me for the smooth functioning of this online event. We have Mrs. Kritika Catherine Michael as the scorekeeper.
Hello everyone, all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Mrs. Seema Singh as the timekeeper.
Good evening, everyone.
Mrs. Reena Goyal, who will be assisting us with the visuals.
Good evening, everyone.
Mr. Karthik Bhardwaj for the technical requirements.
Good evening, all.
And I, Mrs. Shubhi Bajaj, is your virtual quiz master for today. And now let's meet our teams. Team A, participant A1. Please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Harian Singh. I study in class 3A.
Thank you, Arihan. Participant A2.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Good evening, everyone. My name is Rihan Marpani. I am in class 3rd A.
Participant A3.
Hello, everyone.
Participant A3, please introduce yourself.
Hello, everyone. My name is Soham Chazbukiza. I am in class 8.
Thank you, Soham. Thank you, Team A. Now let's move to Team B. Participant B1, please introduce yourself.
B1, my name is Aradhya. I'm in class 3rd B.
Thank you, Aradhya. Thank you so much. Participant B2, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vungnan Mar.
B2.
I study in class 3B.
Thank you, Wong. Thank you so much. Participant B3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Yarit Bashish. I am from class 3B.
Thank you, Team B. Now let's move to Team C. Participant C1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Arav Sharma. I study in class 3C.
Thank you, Arav. Participant C2, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Aradhya Agarwal and I am from class 3C.
Thank you, Aradhya. Participant C3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Neerav Kohli. I am from class 3rd C.
Thank you, Neerav. Thank you, Team C. Team D, participant D1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hariti Kothari from class 3D.
Thank you, Hariti. Participant D2, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Prathit Singh and I study in class 3D.
Thank you, Prathit. Participant D3.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Viraj Bhaiya. My class is 3D.
Thank you, Viraj. Thank you, Team D. Now let's move to Team E. Participant E1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ashman Bhardwaj from class 3rd E.
Thank you, Ashman. Participant E2.
Good evening, yes, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. My name is Mujtaba Siddiqui. I am in class 3rd E. Thank you.
Thank you, Mujtaba. Participant E3, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Soumya Pedarshi. I am in class 30.
Thank you, Soumya. Thank you, Team E. Team F, participant F1, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Atin Goel and I study in class 3F.
Thank you, Atin. Participant F2, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Neeti Agarwal. I'm studying in third F.
Thank you. Thank you, Neeti. Participant F3, please introduce yourself.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Amanda. I study in class 3F. Thank you.
Thank you, Haman. Thank you, Team F. And thank you, all the participants. I request all the participants to please switch off their cameras and please keep yourself on mute. Now, I would like to inform you about various rules of this spell bee. There will be 6 rounds and I will tell you the rules of each round before the round begins. Questions will not be passed to other teams. Prompting of answers will disqualify the teams. Each child will switch on their cameras and mics only when his or her turn comes. And very important, when you give the answer, you have to look into the camera and not look around. So children, all the very best. Let us begin. The first round is a visual round. In this round, first participant of each team will be asked a question and you will have to answer within 15 seconds of time. If your answer is correct, you score 10 points. In this round, you will be asked to choose the correct spelling. Team A, participant A1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
So you have to choose the correct spelling. Each question carries 10 marks. Yes, participant A1. The word for you is mystery.
Ma'am, number 3.
Number 3 is the correct answer. We give that to you. That's a good start to the quiz. Thank you, participant A1. Participant B1. Are you ready?
I am ready.
And the word for you is dropped.
Second.
Second is the correct answer. D-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped is the correct spelling. Thank you, participant
Thank you,
B1.
ma'am.
Next, we move to team C, participant C1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
And the word for you is dessert.
1.
1 is the correct answer. I think all the children are very well prepared. We give that to you, team C. Very well done, C1. Participant D1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the word for you is alert.
1.
1 is the correct answer. Very well done. All the teams are doing very well. Participant E1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
And the word for you is naughty.
Ma'am, second.
Second is the correct answer. Very well done. Team F, participant F1. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the word for you is clever.
Ma'am, 3.
Third is the correct answer. Very well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very well done, children. Now, let us move to the second round. It is a visual round and it is a team round. That means the whole team will be asked the question. In this round, you have to find a small word of 4 or 5 letters in the given word. Means there will be a big word and you have to find a small word. So team A, participant A1, A2 and A3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Yes, ma'am,
Wait.
I'm ready.
Wait for me to ask you the question. Okay? Wait for me to ask you the question. Till the time nobody will answer. Rules are each question carries 10 marks. Time given to answer is 20 seconds. And this is a team round. And the word for you is vegetable. I read it again. Vegetable. A1, do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell us the answer.
Table.
Table. We give that to you. You get 10 points, Team A. Thank you, Team A.
Ma'am, veggie.
Yes, that is also correct. You have to make a word of 4 or 5 letters. You've already got 10 points, Soham. Very good. Team A. Team B. Participants B1, B2 and B3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
The word for you is sparrow. B1. B1.
Oh.
You know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give us the answer.
Arrow.
Arrow. Yes, we give that to you. Well done, Team B. Now we move to the next team, that is Team C. Participants C1, C2 and C3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And C2?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay. And the word for you is discount. C1. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell us the answer.
Count.
Count. We give that to you. Well done, children. Now let us move to the next team, Team D. Participants D1, D2 and D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Okay, and the word for you is appearance. D1. You know the answer?
Rents.
D2. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give us the answer.
Appear.
Appear is the correct answer. So we give 10 points to you. Well done, Team D. Team E. Participants E1, E2 and E3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Ready.
And the word for you is understand. Participant E1. Do you know the answer?
Under.
Under. We give that to you, Team E. Well done.
Ma'am, stand.
Stand. Both are correct. Under or stand, both are correct. But you will get only 10 points. Team F. Participants F1, F2 and F3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay, and the word for you is standard. F1. Do you know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please give the answer.
Ma'am, stand.
Stand is the correct answer. We give that to you. Well done, children. I must say all the teams are performing very nicely. It is going to be a tough competition. Let's see who wins. Let us move to the next round. That is round number 3. This round is a visual round in which questions will be asked to the whole team. And if you know the answer, you will get 10 points. In this round, you have to join the names of the pictures to make a new word. So I think we have an example also here. Each question carries 10 marks. See, children, look at the screen. You can see 2 pictures. There is a basket and there is a ball. So the word becomes basket, ball. This way you have to do this round. Team A, participants A1, A2 and A3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Wait for me to ask you the question. And the pictures for you is on the screen. Look carefully. Participant A3. Do you know the answer? A3. Yes, it's the correct answer. Shoe plus box, shoe box. Well done, team A. Now let's move to team B. Participants B1, B2 and B3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. So look at the screen. And the pictures for you are participant
Sunflower.
B3. B3. It's for B3. Participant B3. We give that to you. Yes, it's sunflower. Yes, it's the correct answer. Very well done, team B. Now let's move to team C. Participants C1, C2 and C3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay. And the pictures for you are participant C3. You know the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please tell us the answer.
Ma'am, earring.
Earring is the correct answer. Ear plus ring is earring. Now let's move to team D. Participants D1, D2 and D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the pictures for you are D3. Do you know the answer? Participant D3. It's wheel plus chair, wheelchair. Yes, we give that to you. Team E, participants E1, E2 and E3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready. Ma'am, I'm ready.
And the pictures for you are participant E3. Do you know the answer? Participant E2.
Handbag. Ma'am, handbag.
Yes, E3, it is handbag. Yes, it is handbag. Hand plus bag, handbag. Well done, team E. Team F, participants F1, F2 and F3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the pictures for you are participant F3. F3 will answer this first.
Pancake.
Pan plus cake, pancake.
Ma'am,
Well done.
pancake.
Yes, we give that to you, team F. Very good, children. Now we come to the end of our third round. Now I request Kritika ma'am to please tell us the score. I think we all know the score, but just Kritika ma'am,
Yes,
please do
ma'am.
the
We
needful.
have a bunch of very intelligent and smart children with us today, and they all are riding hand in hand. They all have scored 30 points each as yet. At the end of 3 rounds, they all are sailing in the same boat
Yes,
with
ma'am.
30 points each. Well done,
Thank you,
children.
ma'am.
Keep going strong.
Thank you, ma'am, for updating us about this course. Begin. Thank you, Reena, ma'am, for the visuals. Now, let us begin with the fourth round. This is a verbal round in which all the second participants of each team will be asked a question. So, be ready. In this round, you have to tell the meaning of the word. Team A, participant
Yes.
A2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
I'll give you a word. You tell me the meaning of the word. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. And the word for you is remember. Remember.
Learn. Learn.
To learn. We give that to you. Good. Thank you, A2. Let's move to team B. Participant B2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Give the meaning of the word munch. I repeat, give the meaning of the word munch. Try.
Ma'am, time is up.
Time up. The meaning of the word munch is a bite or chew. When we take a bite, we chew something. We say we munch. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Never mind. Yeah. Team C, participant C2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
You have to give the meaning of the word plenty.
And many?
Yes. A large amount, many, a lot, plenty. Yes, we give that to you. Team D, participant D2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Give the meaning of the word exciting. Exciting.
Very happy.
Very happy, or anything else you want to say?
Very
Exciting.
happy.
Sir? Okay, we give that to you. Team E, participant E2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am.
Give the meaning of the word crushed. Crushed.
Ma'am, press something hard.
Okay. Crushed means destroyed, to crush, press something very hard. We give that to you. Team F, participant F2. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Please give the meaning of the word ashamed. Ashamed.
Sorry.
You're telling me this as an answer?
Ma'am, time's up.
Time is up. The answer is embarrassed or guilty. Okay, so that was the end of our round number 4. Let us move to the next round, round number 5. It is a verbal round in which questions will be asked to the whole team. In this round, you have to give the rhyming of the given words. I'll tell you a word and you have to tell me a rhyming word. Team A, participants A1, A2 and A3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
I am ready.
Okay. Give the rhyming word of heaven. Heaven. A2, do you know the answer? A1, do you know the answer? A3, do you know the answer?
Heaven. Ma'am, death. Death. The world of death.
You have to
Ma'am,
give
time's up.
the,
Hell.
you had to give the rhyming word, beta, not the meaning. Yes. So sorry, team A. You have to listen to the question carefully. Okay. Thank you, team A. Thank you. Rhyming word of heaven is 7, 11, heaven. They all are rhyming words. Team B, participants B1, B2, and B3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I can see you now. Give the rhyming word of ball. Ball. B2. Do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
B3. Do you know the answer?
Call.
Call. Yes, we give that to you. Very well done, team B. It could be tall, call, fall, anything. Thank you, team B. Now let's move to team C. Participants C1, C2, and C3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Give the rhyming word of right. Right.
I'm kite.
C2. C. Yes. It's correct. We give that to you. The rhyming word of right is kite, sight, anything. Thank you, team C. Team D. Participants D1, D2, and D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
ready.
D3. And the word for you is bore. Give the rhyming word of bore. D2. Do you know the answer?
Core.
Say it again, better. D1.
Core.
Core. Yes, that is correct. We give that to you. Bore, core, pour, roar. Yes. Team E, participants E1, E2, and E3. Are you ready?
Yes,
ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am, I'm ready.
And the word for you is cat. Give the rhyming word of cat.
Ma'am, match.
E2, what is the word? Say it again.
Ma'am, match.
Cat. Cat.
Cat ka bat.
Ma'am,
Cat. Bat, rat. Yes. Yes, E2, good. Team E, very good. Now let's move to team F. Participants F1, F2, and F3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the word for you is block. Block.
Lock.
Participant F3. Please say it again.
Lock.
Block, lock. Anybody else? F2.
Ma'am, clock.
Clock. Clock is the correct answer. Yes. We give that to you, team F. Very well done, children. Now let's move to the 6th round and the last round of this spell bee. It is a verbal round in which all the third participants of each team will be asked the question, and you will have to answer within 15 seconds of time. In this round, you have to make 2 words with the given letters. I will tell you the letters, the first 2 letters, and you have to tell me 2 words beginning with them. So team A.
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
It is for the third participant. Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
you have to make two words beginning with FL. FL.
Clown, clown, clown,
Yes, now
Clown.
say it.
clown,
Two words.
flop, flop,
Okay,
Flop.
flop.
Ma'am, time's up.
So
Clown,
only
flop.
one.
clown, flop,
Ma'am, give the mark.
clown, flop.
Okay, thank you, F3. Thank you, A3. Team B, participant D3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I'm ready.
Okay. Make two words beginning with TH. Make two words beginning with SW. SW. You don't have to put yourself on mute, beta. No points for you, Team B. Team C, participant C3. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Make two words with the letter SH.
Ma'am, what?
SH.
School.
SH.
Ma'am, school.
And one more.
Ma'am, time's up.
We don't give that. School is SCHOOL. SH. Shop, shoe, anything with SH.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, no problem, no problem. Team D, participant D3. Are you ready?
Ready.
You have to make two words. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Make two words with TH.
Ma'am, this. Ma'am, TH80. That.
That.
Ma'am, time's up.
We give that to you. Both the answers were correct. Team E, participant E3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Okay. The letters for you are WH. Make two words.
Where and where. Ma'am, where? And
Time is up, ma'am.
We
while.
give Team F, participant F3. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
And the letters for you are CU. You have to make two words with CU.
Crew.
CU.
Ma'am, time's up.
Cup, cut, cute. Any words beginning with the letter CU. Thank you, Team F. Thank you. Thank you, participants. All the teams have performed very well. It was so good to see such young, talented children. Kritika ma'am, are you ready with the final scores?
I am ready with the final scores, ma'am. Yes, but there is a tie. We have clear
Yes.
winners, but yes, we have a tie between Team F and Team B for their places. Yeah. So if we can have
Okay.
one question for
Sure,
Team
ma'am.
B
Sure,
and
ma'am.
Team F.
So we have a tie for team B and team F. Am I correct, Kritika ma'am?
No,
B for
ma'am.
ball,
Team
F
B.
for
B for ball,
B.
F for fan.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Team B and team F, all the participants switch on your cameras and unmute yourself. B1, B2, B3, F1, F2, and F3. So we have a tie between the sections B and F. So this is a tiebreaker round now, in which I'll ask a spelling. You have to spell a word. If you know the correct answer, raise your arm, right?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll call out your name. I'll call out your name. You give the answer. If you give the correct answer, you will get +5. But if your answer is incorrect, then we will take away 5 marks from you. And no child will put themselves or they will mute themselves in between giving the answers. So everyone unmute yourself and think before answering, because if your answer is correct, then you will get 5 points. If it is incorrect, we will take 5 points back from you. So are you ready? B1, B2, B3, F1, F2, F3.
Yes,
Switch
ma'am, I am
on
ready.
your cameras.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
F3, please switch on your cameras.
Yes,
and
ma'am,
unmute.
I'm ready.
Yes, ma'am, I am ready.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
I'm
ma'am,
ready.
ready. Ma'am, I am ready.
B1, please unmute yourself. Yes. So you have to raise your arm. If you speak in between without me calling your name, then again -5.
B2 has to switch on the mic, ma'am. B2.
B2, please switch on the mic. Yes. And the word for you is compliment. Compliment.
M com
If you
TLP.
if you know the answer, you have to raise your arm. B1. Yes, B1. Participant B1.
PO
O-M.
PLYMENT.
I'm afraid that is incorrect. We mark 5 points from you. The correct spelling is COMPLIMENT. PLY. Thank you, Team B and Team F. Kritika ma'am, is there any other tie?
No, ma'am, we are sorted. We have a result in our hand.
Okay, okay. So I think the result should wait for another 5 minutes, maybe. And now I request Miss Tanya James to propose the vote of thanks. Over to you, Tanya ma'am.
To one and all present here. As we are about to conclude today's event, we cannot close the curtains without giving thanks. It is my honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks. I would like to thank our Rector, Father Jose Philip S.J., Principal, Father T.J. Jose S.J., Mrs. Mona Ray for being there as mentors and for being a guiding light in all our endeavors. I would like to thank the quiz master of the day, Mrs. Shubhi Bajaj, for conducting the quiz with so much enthusiasm. This event could not have been possible without the invaluable contribution of our timekeeper, Mrs. Seema Singh, tabulator, Mrs. Kritika Michael, and computer teacher, Mrs. Reena Goel, who worked day and night to make this event successful. A special thanks goes to Mr. Karthik from eCare, who helped us by giving technical assistance. Last but not the least, I would like to thank and congratulate our participants for actively participating in this event. We are grateful, dear parents, for encouraging your wards to perform well. Once again, Heartiest thanks to everyone. Over to you, Shubhi ma'am.
Thank you, Tanya ma'am. Kritika ma'am, please do the needful now.
Sure, ma'am. May I request all the participants to switch on their camera? Please switch on your video. It's time for your results. I want to see your eager faces and a smile on your face. Are you all excited to hear the results?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
fine.
ma'am.
Very good. So here I go. Sit down. Please be seated. Sit down. So I'm going to start from the team who have got the least marks. We are going to start from below. Team B has scored 35 points. Then we have Team F scoring 40 points. Team A is on the 4th place with 45 points. Now we come to the 3rd place. Hands on your heart. 3rd place has been bagged by Team C with 50 points. 1st and 2nd place is going to someone from Team D and Team E. Who will it be? Team E, you're at 2nd place with 55 points, and the winners of today's Spell Bee are Team D with 60 points. Team D, you take the crown today with 60 points. You are the clear winners on the 1st position. Congratulations, Team D. You have taken the 1st place with 60 points. Team E, you are 2nd with 55 points. Team C, you are 3rd with 50 points. And let's have a round of applause for all of you. Wonderful. Come on, Soham, you did so well. Let's be a sport and give a clap to our friends. Wonderful, children. You were brilliant. Wonderful. Congratulations.
Thank
Over
you.
to you, Shubhi ma'am.
Thank you, Kritika ma'am. Congratulations to all the participants and their parents. Be happy, enjoy, and keep working hard. With that note from our team, bye-bye. Thank you. All the children, you may leave now. Thank you.